starting with the conversion of a number that is given in binary into it into its equivalent decimal format. Now, as you are able to see on the slide, the number that we have given is 101011. So, just in order to make you all aware about the number system, I have written and I will be explaining you why this particular part. Now, as we have already listened in the earlier slides, every number has to be multiplied with a power of, that means we will be having a factors of 2. So starting with the LSB, this particular bit is called as LSB. So when I'm starting with LSB, we are very much aware that LSB has to be multiplied with what, my dear kids? It has to be multiplied with 2 to the power of 0. What is 2 to the power of 0? It is 1. Then 2 to the power of 1, it is 2. 2 to the power of 2, it is 4. 2 to the power of 3, it is 8. 2 to the power of 4, it is 16. And 2 to the power of 5, it is 32. So let's begin our conversion then. Step number 1. I will be starting with MSB. So MSB is 1 into 2 raised to 5. So I will be writing first our 1 into 2 raised to 5. I'm copying 2 raised to 5 from here and I'll be copying it over here. Format text, we have to go for superscript again in order to make the cursor normal. So this particular multiplication have been done. I'm highlighting that particular part. The next number that we are able to see is 0. 0 will be multiplied with what, my dear kids? It will be multiplied with 2 raised to 4. So what I'm doing, copying this again, and in place of 1 I will be writing 0. 0 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 4. So this has been done. Next, 1 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 3. Copying this part again, 1 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 3. So this part has been done. Moving ahead, 0 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 2. So instead of 1, I'm writing 0 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 2. I'm coloring this part so that we come to know that this multiplication has been done. Then 1 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 1. Again highlighting this so that no confusion is there. And last, it will be 1 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 0. 1 will be multiplied with 2 raised to 0. Again, format text, we require to go for superscript so that the text become normal. Now what is 1 into 2, 2 to the power of 5? 2 to the power of 5, it is 32, plus 0 into anything will be 0, plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3, it is 8, plus 0 into anything will be 0, plus 1 into 2, so it will be 1 into 2, plus 1 into 1. So what I'm getting 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. What is 32 plus 8? 40. And 40 plus 3, what is the answer? The answer is 43. So in this particular way, you are able to convert a binary number into decimal numbers.